Alright, so I know this is another weird place to start a video, but heading to my friend's dealership right now. He works at the what the hell is it? We'll come back. Alright guys, what is day 2? Alright, this is day 2 of me having the car back. Today what we're gonna do, like again, we have some sponsors. Right now we're gonna be working on that R1 sponsor. Gave me some nice gold brakes. We're about to go throw it on. My friend works at a dealership, so I figured, hey, you got the material, you got the time, the place, and the right, things to do what it do. So let's go get that done. Alright, so we opened up the box, and these are the new ones. This is what's going on there, people. Alright, I don't know if you can see, I got big Wakanda hands, but these are freaking huge. Freaking huge. So we're gonna put that baby up. Alright, we're gonna put him up there. We're gonna get to work. Oh, just in case you guys check that out. Super Sport Enthusiast. Yes. Don't worry about the shitty messed up glass in the back. We're gonna go ahead and get that squared away. But again, this is just a little thing I like to show you guys, and go ahead and start the clip, right? Peace. Alright guys, we got our station set up over there. If you can see, we got the brakes, everything laid out right on this table. Pretty cool. Alright, and then we're gonna get started. We're gonna lift her up and make it do what it do. Again, hey, shout out to them boys at Faster Proms, if you can see on the window. Alright, let's get to work. Struggles of having a lowered car. In the air. Alright, we're gonna take these tires off and then take the old brakes off, put the new brakes on. I always wanted to try one of this in the videos, right? So I don't feel like taking the tires off, and I learned a little magic trick off of YouTube. So let's see if it works. Back up a little bit. So let's see if it works really quick. I always wanted to try this. I've seen it. No, wait, hold up. Is it 2 fingers? Oh, you got to slap, right? And she's done. So now that that's done, we're gonna take the old ones off and on with the new. Alright, this joke was, so the husband and wife was chilling in the house one day, and somebody broke into the house. The husband and wife ran in the room and went to hide. So the husband said, babe, he peeked out, he seen the guy was in full jail uniform, prison orange. He said, babe, if he breaks in, he's like, if he breaks into the house, he seems like he's just from jail. Don't resist. He might kill us, because he's used to killing people. He probably wants some. He never had sex in so long. He probably wants sex. That's what he probably wants. So the wife was like, she's like, what? She's like, babe, look, I won't be mad. This is our life that depends on it. We have to do what we have to do. So the guy ended up going through the house. He ended up coming to the top upstairs, got into their room, and he was like, he tied them both up and stuff. And the wife was like, the husband looked at the wife and said, babe, whispered to her, remember what I said. You know what I'm saying? So the wife's like, oh crap, if this guy wants sex, I have to give it to him. So the guy kept looking. The wife was like, oh my God, babe, I really can't do this. She's nervous. She's looking at her husband like, why? And then the guy who broke in ended up saying, like, time goes on. He kept looking at the husband. He's like, okay, if you want my wife, go ahead. but just don't hurt her, da-da-da-da. The guy was like, I just spent life in prison. I don't want her, I want you. And the husband was like, oh, hell no, hell no. The wife said, babe, yeah, you said we need to survive. We'll do whatever it takes, right? So that was just like the funny part of the story, man. I was like, damn. Guys, we got those on. All right. Yeah.
Install water station at a plantation.
Alright, so he's put in some noise cancellation lube on there. So smart thing I didn't know is when you do new brakes, the thing is gonna be squealing because they more smoother than a crackhead's baby butt. Alright, so we'll give those time to soak in as we finish up the rest. Alright, look at that, look at that. I see a little bit of gold. What you think, people? Yes. Don't worry about the center caps. We'll put those center caps in. Reason I have the center caps off is I'm going to wrap them the same color as the car because you guys didn't know I had that tacky crap on there earlier. So that's what we do. One thing I hate about Challenge is they tires so small, bro. Yeah. It's crazy. All right, people, those are done. I think the gold brakes look amazing. And then, yeah, I got all the rest. All right. Hey, props to the man for the help, man. It helped me a lot. As you guys know, this damn car takes all my damn money, man. So any help I can get to square that away works. I will be driving in 2 weeks to California, a 1,500-mile rally, and all the way back. So it's a total of about 5,000 miles non-stop on this car I'm about to do. So brakes are a small choice, a smart choice, especially when I got the family with me. Now we're gonna do a quick run to Justin's house, get the wicker bill on, and call it a night. So I'll see you guys soon. I know it's late as hell, guys, but hey, we gotta get that wicker bill on before we leave. And then after that, we should do one and done, be over with. All right, guys, there's one way and one way only to close this video out. Oh, it's like midnight. We've been going all day. We got the brakes put on the car. We got the wicker bill put on the car. Thanks to Justin. Brakes. Thanks to you, Danny. I appreciate your help. Hey, great things happen with great friends. I appreciate you guys' help. Again, guys, stay tuned. That's just a little video of what we did to the beast here. She will be out tomorrow. And then what we doing tomorrow? We're gonna go. Give me a second. We're going to be going to Florida 2K. Again, I am tired. I know I'm not energetic like, whoa, like I should be. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. Please show your boy some love. Let's get this channel growing. Got to make it do what it got to do, because if it don't get done, then no one does it at all, right? Exactly.